Welcome to choose SOWEGO finger-operated wristband. Turn on the on-off key and search SOWEGO Bluetooth to finish connection. Then finish wearing according to the following requirements. 1. Wear wristband between the thumb and index, with wristband main body avoiding metacarpophalangeal joints. Toe. Keep the upper surface of ring and wristband parallel. 3. Keep the main body of ring and wristband center aligned. 4. Distance between wristband and ring is about the ring width. Adjust the distance between the key and wristband main body to ensure comfortable wearing. Pay attention. 1. Cursor track is controlled by joint movement, and you will not be able to control cursor only by finger-tip movement. Toe. It is unnecessary to move index finger sharply while using the finger-operated wristband, which provides much comfort. 2 compatible systems are provided, phone mode and computer mode. You can switch between them by pressing the setting key for over 3 seconds. Cursor draws circle means phone mode, asteroid means computer mode. General mode and gesture mode are provided. You can switch between them by pressing switch key for over 0.3 seconds. Under general mode, cursor can move freely. Short touch click key to click. Short touch switch key to return. And when compatible with computer system. Switch key means right key. Operation method is similar with the mouse. We provide the sleep mode to avoid unintentional touch. Keep your index finger still for 8 seconds. Cursor will disappear, and then it means entering sleep mode, under which you are unable to operate. The operate function can be awakened by pressing the click key. Under gesture mode, cursor is static by default, but you can move the cursor while pressing the click key. How to slide and scroll. Move index finger from down to up fast means scrolling up. Move index finger from up to down fast means scrolling down. Move index finger left means sliding left. Move index finger right means sliding right.